Kobra Dosatak is a proportional volumetric liquid doser with a highly resistant diaphragm motor. When switched off, the water flows freely through the hydraulic line. By using the on-off switch, the motor is activated. It consists of two parts, a motor set and dosing set. Made using high-quality materials, the Dosatak motor system is durable and efficient, even in the presence of hard water. The diaphragm motor suctions the liquid to be dosed. Its dilution in water and injection in the hydraulic system is precise and automatic, without the need of electric energy. The Kobra Dosatak is practical, automatic and adjustable. Thus, the dose of injected solution is always proportional to the volume of water flowing through the equipment, even with variations in flow or pressure within the specified limits. Check the dosage adjustment table. The dosing set consists of valves, adjusting nuts and locking nuts. Carrying out its periodic maintenance is very simple, as it is necessary to only lubricate or change the sealing rings. Follow these step-by-step instructions.
Disassembling dosing set.
Remove the fixing nut from the dosing set. Remove the hose nozzle. Remove the valve fixing nut. Remove the suction valve. Remove the lock nut. Remove the lock C. Remove the dosing sleeve. Remove the nut with the adjusting ring. Remove the bush nut.
Remove the ring.
Remove the ring from the dosing sleeve. Remove the sealing ring from the valve. Carefully unlock the valve guide by inserting the screwdriver slightly between the guide and the valve fitting. Remove the spring. Remove the valve pin. Remove the ring from the valve pin. Remove the plunger. Remove the plunger guide. Remove the ring and washer from the plunger. Remove the ring from the plunger guide. Assembling dosing set.
Separate the pieces.
Apply lubricant to the ring. Place the ring onto the bush. Fit the locking nut onto the bush. Thread the dosing adjusting nut onto the bush with the yellow eye facing up. Lubricate the ring. Attach the ring to the dosage tube. Fit the dosing sleeve onto the bush. Rotate it so that the inner ledge of the bush engages the guide of the dosing sleeve. Attach the lock C to the dosing sleeve. place the flat side of the piece against the dosing adjustment nut. Thread locking nut to position in the dosing sleeve fitting. Lubricate the ring. Place the ring on the valve pin. Insert the valve pin into the valve body and fit the spring. Place the valve guide over the fitting. Lubricate the ring and snap on the valve body. Fit the valve assembly with the ledges interspersed with those of the dosing sleeve. Screw on the suction valve attachment nut and tighten fully. Thread the hose nozzle. Thread the dosing set into the body of the Dosatak.